Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Shark. In today's lecture, we'll be talking about certain properties of CDF. So let's start with the basic and the most important property of CDF. The CDF, that means the cumulative distribution function, it always lies between 0 and 1 whenever the x lies between minus infinity to infinity. Second, it is a non-decreasing function. That is, if some x1 is less than x2, then your f of x1 is less than equal to f of x2. The next property is that f of infinity is 1 and f of minus infinity is 0. The next property is fx is the derivative of the CDF at all the points where our capital Fx, that is the CDF, is differentiable. So let us consider an example related to the last property, and we can expect questions from the last property as well. So a probability distribution is given to us as this. Where x is lying between minus infinity to plus infinity. We need to find the value of a, the constant a. Now, we will notice here that we are given, this is df. Now, what is this df? Here, we are talking about the derivative of the CDF, right? And we know, let me, yes, and we know that how could we find the answer to it? By the previous property, small fx is the derivative of f dash x, or I can write this as d of f, right? So that means minus infinity to infinity fx dx, the integral of this would be equal to f of x. So let us find out using this. So what we can do, so we know that from minus infinity to infinity, fx dx is equal to 1 because that's the PDF. So therefore, it's given to us as this. Let me just write using whatever is given to us. So I'll just rewrite this as given in the question. Just substitute the values here, and because here we have a mod function, so the interval need to be broken up, and it would be from minus infinity to 0. Then from 0 to infinity. And with this, we can find out the value of a. as mod x is minus x when x is less than 0, and it's positive when x is greater than equal to 0. So using this, I'll be minus infinity to 0, zero to infinity integral. So instead of mod x, we are substituting the values of mod x as minus x and x depending upon the interval. After that, it is very easy to calculate. A is a constant term, so it will come outside the integral. So this becomes e raised to the power 2x. This also comes outside, minus 2x. Now let us solve this quickly. So as we know that the integral of e raised to the power 2x is e raised to the power 2x upon 2, and integral of e raised to the power minus 2x is e raised to the power minus 2x upon minus 2. So after putting the values, I'll get the answer as this. I'll get this as, this is e raised to the power 0, that is 1. E raised to the power minus infinity is 0. 0 again. I'll get the final answer. A upon 2 plus A upon 2 equal to 1. That means the value of A is equal to 1. So we can expect such questions in the examination where we need to calculate, find the constant value, or you can find the value of the uh, PDF using your CDF. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Do like and share my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos.